So I got my steak, my onions, and I got my mac and cheese. If I had some extra cheese, I'll pour some in there. But this macaroni about to be good. I don't care what y'all talking about. Macaroni, and I just got some spinach with my garlic in there. Oh, oh. So yeah, that. But I'm about to taste this food. Macaroni. Meat salt. I love spinach. It's so good. Let me taste these onions. Yeah, I don't even need no salt on my macaroni. There's enough sodium in the rest of my food. I bought that new wine. Ooh, honey. Okay. I don't drink wine, but I want to grow up. I want to be an adult. Is my lash coming off? I want to grow up and I want to be an adult and I want to drink wine. So if you have any recommendations for new wine people or wine drinkers, or please let me know. Let me taste it. I ain't tasted it yet. That is not good. I cannot see if I'm in focus or not. I don't know if my vision. What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Keta, and I am back with another video. Okay, so yeah, y'all, I am here with the video. I'm just chilling around the house. Y'all, I have not cooked in a really long time. So I decided that I was gonna come home tonight. I had to go to the store because I had no food. I decided that I was gonna freaking come and cook me some dinner tonight, period. So yeah, y'all ain't been doing nothing, like real. Y'all know I be working 2 jobs, so I really just, it's hard to find time in between sleeping and working. For real, like, but if you want it bad enough, you do it. So yeah, I'm cooking steak and onions and spinach and mac and cheese. I'm tired of fast food, y'all. Tired of it, sick of it, okay? So it's looking a little. I'm gonna show y'all the second batch of steak because my grill won't high enough. I like my steak to look. Okay, I like real thin steak. I don't know if I had said that already. I like real thin steak. I don't know why, but this steak I got from Walmart, it was super duper thin. I didn't even know. It's fine though. I'm gonna smash on it with all these onions. I don't think that's so far. Okay, so my onions cooking, my steak. Okay, it's gonna get a little color on it. I got my other seasoned steak. I'm gonna cook this spinach, and I got my water boiling for my mac and cheese. And I mean, I know we growing up and everything, and we supposed to do better, you know what I'm saying? Our taste changes, but this is my favorite macaroni and cheese. Like, I don't know what's happening. Like, I don't know, y'all. I really like mac and cheese now. I liked it. I ate it. It was good. But now, like, I crave macaroni sometimes. So, yeah. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the water. Put a little salt in there. For those who don't know, when you put salt in the water when you're cooking noodles, it stops the noodles from sticking together. You're welcome. Cooking 101 with Keta. 101 with Keta. Okay, so I got my milk, got my butter ready. Let me show y'all this. So I'm about to pour my mac in there. We're gonna let that come to a boil. My steak is super thin, so that crap is done. But it's fine, y'all. Like I said, look at these onions. I love onions. Y'all tell me your girl ain't water whipping in the kitchen. I gotta get that. I like that drizzle right there. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, I just ain't got my heat up high enough. If you got your heat up high enough, when you put that water, or some people use wine when you really know what you're doing, but I don't. But yeah, you throw that water on there and all that good stuff. Yeah, it come off and it'll stick to your meat. So you see how it's doing that? And that's what give my meat its, what, like, you know, the color. So watch when I take it out. Oh shit. Oh, these onions are so good, y'all. I feel like I'm at the state fair making somebody some damn shit. This done. I'm gonna take this off because it's gonna be hard to chew if I let it cook that long. Oh, got my camera off for you. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna get this spinach going. The spinach is really like the last thing you cook, but you know, since my steak is so thin, that'll be done in no time. My onions almost done. Dang, where my grill? Keep turning down. Cook them in the frying pan like this. So I put like tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons, whatever, of butter in the pan. I'm gonna turn the pan on, medium, whatever. Just get some heat going. I'm not using It's gonna smell good if I use this. Fresh garlic smells so good, y'all. So I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna do 2 cloves because I got some. I'm gonna just use 2 cloves of garlic because I got some powder, garlic powder. Okay. I want y'all to see this, but I don't know how. So you smash the garlic. So I'm gonna just show you from right here. It's butter on my knife, y'all. That's all. Smash. Smash. There you go. They pop open. Oops. You peel it. I wish y'all could. Oh, it's so strong. You know how when they say garlic come out your clothes? Like, garlic come out your clothes. Garlic come out your pores. I smell this garlic and it really be people that smell like this. Like when they eat, like for real, I'm not even lying. It's like a, I don't know. It's garlic. So I'm gonna should have pulled out my cutting board. But it's fine. So and salt, okay. I know. Okay, no, I'm sure. There's salt here. There has to be fucking salt here. There's salt here. Where's salt? Where? Oh, y'all, I thought I had no salt. It was not in the cabinet. So I'm gonna put some salt in my butter already. It probably needs some more butter because I done been playing games. Garlic piece. So some more butter in there. Turn it down a little bit. My macaroni is still cooking. I got 2 pieces of steak over here. I still need to season. Oh, my butter burning. I'm doing too much. See, I already kind of. I'm gonna turn this way down. I should have turned this down real low, y'all. It's on 2 right now because I got this up way too high. I'm gonna put it on high. Cause you know all you gotta do is let that spinach wilt or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and put these other steaks. I'm using what I had in the cabinet. I got some McCormick roasted garlic and bell pepper. I got some lemon pepper. I got some garlic powder. I got some onion powder. I got some Creole seasoning. Creole. Is that a rainbow? Cause like when in doubt, just use everything. And by them being so thin, it don't even require a whole lot of seasoning. So I'm really just like doing whatever on here. Alright, that's enough. So this steak should have been come up. I'm not a big when I eat my steak, I don't care how well done it is. I don't give a damn. The more well done, the better for me. Alright, I'm gonna take these onions off because them jokers is done. I'm gonna show y'all what we looking like over here. So far, so I got my onions, steak, stir my macaroni up. That's good. We'll put my spinach back on the aisle. Wash this. Okay, let me turn the aisle back up. I got it on fire, y'all. Oh my. Let me cook it too fast. Let me add the butter. I think this steak gonna turn out how I wanted my other ones to, cause this thing. So y'all, I went to Walmart and I don't drink wine, but I want to start drinking wine. So I don't know. I had Googled sweet red wine, and I know they probably not thinking as sweet as I wanted, but this is what popped up. So I got some Barefoot sweet red blend. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna eat some of that tonight. We're gonna drink some of that tonight with our dinner. Stir this macaroni up. I think she about ready. Strainer. I'm gonna cook all this spinach, but you gotta wait for it to wilt down so it'll fit in the daggone pan. Y'all, then listen, when I season my stuff now, green vegetables have nothing on it. So they require a little more sodium than other items. So I don't want to hear nothing in the comments like you're going to have high blood pressure or nothing like that. Alright, so we got our noodles right here. I'm about to strain them in our strainer. Strain. Okay, so you know I told y'all I get the blue box or whatever, like the blue box blue, whatever. Like they got this one called thick and creamy, so it requires more milk and it makes it so good. So, oh, you know what? Do it say more butter too? Nah. So the regular one is a fourth of a cup of milk, but this one is half a cup of milk. So we can put that stick of butter in there. I put my cheese on top, my powdered cheese. And then get my milk, measuring cup, half a cup. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. We're gonna pour the milk in. Y'all, it looked really messy or whatever because I didn't think about this beforehand. So I'm just cooking and I'm literally trying to get y'all to catch as much as possible because I'm really just chilling. So I ain't got no organization to what I got going on. Oh, gotta get the steak off. The steak. I know it's overcooked like hell. But this is how I like my steak. So if I'm cooking for somebody else, I'm gonna have to be mindful. But I ain't cooking for nobody else. I'm just cooking for me right now. So I can cook it how I want it. Alright, spinach is good enough. It's done. So my spinach. Baby spinach, fresh. Done, baby. Done, baby. Okay, so I got my spinach over here. Alright. Oh my god. I put my macaroni back on the aisle. That is freaking cooking. That's why I told you I got too much going on. I like parsley in my macaroni. I like color. So, oh, that's chives. So I got some parsley. I like color. Like green on top of orange is really nice. Oh, get a little razzle dazzle, a little bit of little. I'm gonna be like, oh, and pepper. Pepper. Oh, y'all gonna be like, oh, Chef Wild Dizzle in the mother kid chisel, okay? Let me show y'all what this macaroni looking like. I ain't even gonna pick it up. Look at this macaroni. Hold on. Look at my macaroni. Honey. Everything done. Oh, turn my stove off and clean my mess up. I need to find somewhere to put this stuff. Okay. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So that meal literally took me less than 20 minutes. I promise it did not take long. Literally less than that. Because I started recording not too long, 14 minutes ago. Well, actually, I turned the camera off. So yeah, 20 minutes. It took about 20 minutes. And I cooked enough food for me for at least 3 portions. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So I got my steak, my onions, and I got my mac and cheese. If I had some extra cheese, I'll pour some in there. But this macaroni about to be good. I don't care what y'all talking about. Macaroni, and I just got some spinach with my garlic in there. Oh, oh. So yeah, that was just like a really simple meal, something fast, you know what I'm saying, that's still gonna taste good. You know what I'm saying, you gotta use what you got, you know what I'm saying, even though I ain't had none of this at the house, I had the seasoning stuff. But okay, y'all, that's all I got for right now. I'll probably shoot, I could probably still record, but that's all for this video. Cooking 101 with Keta. I gotta clean this mess up. Look at this disaster. I gotta clean it up, and then I'll come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so I straightened up a little bit. I ain't clean up all the way. I got my dishes in the sink. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, I told y'all I had bought that new wine. Ooh, honey. Okay, I don't drink wine, but I want to grow up. I want to be an adult. Is my lash coming off? I want to grow up and I want to be an adult and I want to drink wine. So if you have any recommendations for new wine people or wine drinkers, or please let me know. Let me taste it. I ain't tasted it yet. is not good. Maybe that's how wine tastes. It's like, it leaves a bad taste in my mouth. Let me try again.
Hey, nobody ever tell your wife anything about this shit that already know. You just broke the bond.
I mean, I would drink it. It probably could be, I don't know. I probably won't buy that kind no more. I'm just gonna have to keep trying until I find something I like. But I'm about to taste this food. Macaroni. Need salt. I love spinach. It's so good. Let me taste these onions. Yeah, I don't even need no salt on my macaroni. There's enough sodium in the rest of my food. I'm not gonna eat right now. Uh-oh. Maybe put a little bit too much salt in my spinach, but it's still good. I just wanted y'all to see me taste this wine for the first time. I'm gonna chill, lay back, and relax. I started going to the gym last week, y'all, but listen, let me tell you here. I'm gonna start going back, but I know me and I need to get my weight back up too. In order to do that, yeah, gym has a lot to do with it, but I ain't been doing my part at home. Like, I gotta eat. I need to be eating more. So, you know, I used to take the weight gainer. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like actually. This right here, you get it from GNC. 1,300 calories per shake. Okay? That stuff makes you so full. But anyway, it helps me get my weight up. I had lost all my blender bottles, or broke them and lost them. So I went and got one from Walmart. Yeah. So I'm gonna start doing that tomorrow. I'm gonna cover my food up. But anyway, what was I talking about before I walked in this kitchen? Oh, the gym. I was supposed to go today, but I don't feel bad because like I told y'all, my diet been horrible. And I'm just glad to have some real food that I'm about to put in my stomach. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get my weight up and then y'all can catch me in the gym. But anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. It's been real.